Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus Nord CE 5G, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. Now, to get started, obviously you will want to open up settings, and from here scroll down to System, select Reset Options, and choose Erase All Data Factory Reset. Now normally you would see a message letting you know what it will remove, but here we just get to select, I guess. So we have System Data. Can we apparently no, we cannot. We also have the option to select Erase Internal Storage, or that's the only thing we can actually deselect or select. As you can see, it tells us below it includes music, photos, videos, and other personal data. So if you don't want to remove those things, then deselect it. But if you're performing a factory reset of your device, then there is really no reason for you to not select this. And select Erase or whatever. Yeah, Erase All Data and Confirm. Now, if you have some kind of screen lock like I do, you will need to confirm it right here. I have a pattern, so when I draw it, takes me to the next page where I can select Erase All Data once again to confirm it. And this will now begin the process, which will take about 1 to 2 minutes. Once it's completed, we should then be presented with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see now, the process is finished and you can set up your device however you like. So yeah, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.